Atomic Habits by James Clear is a comprehensive guide to building good habits and breaking bad ones. The book offers a step-by-step guide on how to create lasting changes in our lives by focusing on small incremental changes. The power of atomic habits. The book introduces the concept of atomic habits, which refers to small habits that, when practiced consistently, can lead to significant improvements in our lives. The author argues that small changes can add up over time, leading to substantial benefits. The aggregation of marginal gains. Clear explains the concept of the aggregation of marginal gains, which refers to the idea that small, incremental changes can add up to significant gains over time. He uses the example of the British cycling team, which dominated the Tour de France by making small improvements in nutrition, training, and equipment. The 4 laws of behavior change. The book outlines the 4 laws of behavior change, which are: 1. Make it obvious. To change a behavior, you must first become aware of it. Make it attractive. To build a new habit, you must make it appealing and attractive. 3. Make it easy. To build a new habit, you must make it easy to adopt. Make it satisfying. To build a new habit, you must make it satisfying and rewarding. How to build good habits. The book provides actionable strategies for building good habits, including: start small. Begin with tiny habits that can be accomplished in less than 2 minutes. Create an implementation intention. Plan out when and where you will perform a new habit. Use visual cues. Use visual reminders to trigger new habits. Celebrate milestones. Celebrate small wins to build motivation. How to break bad habits. The book also provides strategies for breaking bad habits, including: reframe your identity. Change your self-image to one that is incompatible with the bad habit. Find alternative behaviors. Replace bad habits with better alternatives. Use the 4 laws of behavior change. Apply the 4 laws to break bad habits. Conclusion: Atomic Habits offers a comprehensive guide to building good habits and breaking bad ones. By applying the strategies outlined in the book, readers can create lasting changes in their lives and achieve their goals.